5 switch words that will get you literally anything you want 100%. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers, thank you for subscribing. And remember to click the bell icon because we're here almost every day with a new video to empower your life. High flyers, I want to remind you to visit lawofattractionsolutions.com. Visit and get your free ebook, 5 Secrets to Attracting Your Specific Person. And hey, if that's not what you're interested in, how about Money Like Magic? Another free ebook that I've written especially for you to help you attract money. So whether it's love and a specific person or whether it's money, I have an ebook waiting for you at lawofattractionsolutions.com. High flyers, switch words have the power to help you shift, literally shift your dimension from wherever you're at to wherever you desire to be. If you're not getting the love that you desire, switch words are the answer. If you're not getting the money you desire, switch words are the answer. If you are not achieving the success that you know you deserve, switch words are the answer. It's absolutely amazing. Changing just one word can absolutely help you get anything that you seriously want. Switch words, they can and they do shift your vibration, and that changes your frequency and what you align with, which means that you are attracting more of what you desire. Now, all words have the power to become a switch word, but I'm going to share with you 5 switch words that will work in every situation, under any condition. They're absolutely powerful, and you may want to start using them right away. Rachel and I have literally used switch words for years now and absolutely attracted things that are just mind blowing. I mean, literally mind blowing. Things that we did not expect to attract consciously, we attracted subconsciously using the power of switch words: money, love, happiness, joy, health, success. Use these switch words. Now, for those of you who use mantras, switch words are really nothing more than seed mantras. They're one word affirmations that have so much potency and so much power, you'll want to use them every day in your language pattern. Using these 5 switch words that I'm going to share with you today will turn negative energy positive, change your personal energy field or your aura, and make you more magnetic to whatever it is you desire. Put simply, switch words can literally change your reality, and they can do it fast. One word, just one word, can make you incredible amounts of money. Another word can attract a specific person. Some switch words can help you attract incredible success. All 5 of the switch words that I'm going to share with you today can be used for any and all situations. The right word at the right time can literally change your life. The key to using switch words and using them effectively is to allow them to fill up your subconscious mind, to permeate from the conscious into the subconscious where manifesting takes place. Therefore, when I do a switch word, when I make a conscious effort to use a switch word, I repeat that switch word 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times before I fall asleep. And I just don't say them quickly. I meditate on them. I feel the power and the energy of that switch word. 369. That's the Tesla formula. Next, high flyers, write out your switch word on a card, an index card, like so, and carry it with you. You can fold it up, just fold it up, put it in your pocket, and carry it with you. It's kind of interesting because every time you run into that switch word in your pocket, you pull the card out and look at it, it'll kind of permeate deeper into your subconscious mind. Also, what I like to do is I then take my switch word and put it under my pillow so that I'm kind of thinking about it, dreaming about it, feeling it all night long. Look at, I don't allow those 8 hours that I sleep every night to go to waste. So put your switch word under your pillow. Finally, use your switch word as often as you can in normal everyday language. That way, you're literally putting your intention in everything that you speak about, everything you talk about. It's kind of amazing how it works, but it really does. Now, here are the 5 most powerful switch words you can use to attract love, your specific person, marriage, money, happiness, success, better health. Use these switch words. My suggestion, use one switch word at a time. And then after a week or so, switch to another switch word. The first switch word is together. Together draws people together, draws energy together. The word, it draws vibration together. It brings about communion and connection. We enjoy doing this video, Rachel and I, for you together. We enjoy sharing our time with you together. Use the word together as often as you can. Now, it's ideal for a specific person, for attracting a specific person. It's incredible for attracting business. Together, we're going to make a lot of money. Healing relationships, healing your body. Use the word together. Together, along with good food, sunlight, and exercise, I am getting healthier and stronger each and every day. So let us use this switch word together. High flyers, the second switch word is trust. Oh, that's a powerful word. That's a powerful switch word. Trust, because most relationships that never get back together, they dissolve because of trust issues. Trust is so important. And I'm not just talking about love relationships or marriages, but I'm talking about business relationships. I'm talking about friendships. I'm talking about all kinds of relationships. They dissolve because of lack of trust. Trust is a powerful switch word. Trust is the magic glue that creates healthy, loving, happy connections. As I said, trust is ideal for a broken relationship. It's ideal for business. It's ideal for family. It's ideal for success. It's an incredible switch word, and I trust you will use it right away. Well, high flyers, the next switch word is bless or blessed. Use it all the time. My home is blessed. My life is blessed. My relationship is blessed. My son is blessed. My money is blessed. My life is blessed. My health is blessed. It can be used for love, for relationships, for a specific person. It can be used for business, for anything. It's an incredible switch word. So use it and be blessed. High flyers, the fourth switch word that I want to share with you today. I love this switch word, heal. Just feel the word heal. It feels so positive. Do you wish to heal your relationship? Do you wish to heal your business? Do you wish or desire to heal your life? You can bring healing to any situation, to any condition, and literally change your life. I mean, remarkably fast. It's that powerful of a switch word. Receive the healing you need with this special switch word, heal. And switch word number 5, you know what I'm going to say. Here it is, love. Now, when you overdo it or underemphasize it, I love this meal. I love this dinner. I love this new carpeting. It loses something. But when you go, I love this new carpeting. I absolutely love this dinner. I love this relationship. We love each other. I absolutely love going into work every day. I love my business that I'm starting. I love this guy. See, when you emphasize the word and you make it the high point of the sentence, then it becomes a switch word. Love brings people together in a very special way. So use this switch word. Use it and meditate on it in regards to your intentions. I love that you love the vibration of love. And I know beyond any shadow of a doubt, you're absolutely going to love the next video I've selected for you.